Hey guys, hopefully you can see me. We kind of don't have a whole lot of light in here, but we brought some job lights in, and just here on the job site, and I wanted to show you guys. The fire started from a battery, kind of a unique one I haven't had in a while. Started from a battery that was in like a kid's toy car. The dad was charging it, and it caught fire. And they just literally were bringing home from the hospital when this happened their 1 week old baby. Baby was like, I don't know, a couple days old. And so yeah, that was pretty, So I want to show you, the garage is where it started, and it was really, really, really bad. We've got some people in some Tyveks pulling a few items out. I'm not going to really step in here because I'm not in full-on PPE, but it's definitely bad. The garage is a definite gut. The rest of the house, we've got lots of smoke damage and lots of cleaning to do. Obviously, since we've got a baby, it's going to be super uber detailed. The entire house is a pack out. We've got all the, we came in right away and we pulled all the soft items and got that going on to get that start processing. And the owners are just not okay at all, comfortable at all with any of the baby items. So the baby's crib, all of the baby's toys, clothes, they don't want any of those items back. So we're going to log them. Obviously the baby's clothes could be cleaned in a laundry type situation, but if the homeowners aren't comfortable with that, we're just not going to do it. So we're logging them and then going to have a conversation with the adjuster and let them know, regardless, they don't want to have them back. So we're here with Service Restoration, who's a really great company. They have a really nice crew. And as you can see, I'm in Minnesota, by the way. Do you see my hair going on? I am melting here. My hair, I look like Monica, if any of you watch Friends when she went to the Caribbean. Yeah, I'm doing this whole foofy, fluffy thing going on with the humidity here. But anyway, dealing with some challenges. We've got job work lights going on. The inside of the house itself is not that bad. It's mostly just odor. We don't have any like insulation flying around or any bad stuff. So we got our crews in gloves and booties, but we're not like all masked up and stuff. It's not really bad. It just needs to be, a thorough clean. But we've got things to deal with, like the refrigerator's been off for like a whole week. So what we're going to do first off is, with the training, we just pulled all the soft items, so I taught everybody that, and now we're going to go out and we're going to do logging, and we're going to start in the garage because that's where most of the items are destroyed, and then we're going to come in and log in the kitchen. The kitchen's pretty good size, and we are definitely going to log destroy all the food items. We are not going to save any of these items whatsoever. I'm pretty picky about that. I pretty much always destroy food. Just not worth it. It's bad enough in here that I'm getting soot off the wood walls. This is, by the way, unsealed natural cedar. So we're definitely going to be putting hydroxyl to the test here with deodorizing the structure. But anyway, I've got crew waiting for me. I just wanted to come on today and kind of, show you guys around a little bit. We got a really cool sunroom that we're working in too. It's kind of a garage shop house, they call it. They call it a grouse here in Wisconsin. It's a garage that's attached to the house. So the door you saw me walk through, this is their sunroom, which is kind of cool. And it's got like metal on the ceiling on the inside, which is kind of cool. So the room you saw me walk into is actually right next to the garage, but it's technically their front door. And then they've got like a mother-in-law's cottage. So they've got like sort of two households here. So anyway, I'm going to go get started with log and destroyed in the garage, and I will hopefully be able to do another video for you guys on that. And I will definitely do videotape. I'm going to have lots coming up on my YouTube channel, so be sure and tune in there. If you're not subscribed, do that for sure. And on that note, I will see you shortly.